Hey, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today, I'm proud to show you a listing at 105 Dene Drive. It proudly boasts 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 3-car garage and a ton more to see, so please step inside. Entering on tile, our formal dining room. Our living room. Passing this see-through fireplace, here's our dining room and hearth room, which steps out to our back patio and yard. Our kitchen boasts tile floors, neutral countertops, cabinets, and colors. Pass-through utility room, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, our main lower-level full bathroom, also with tile floors, and now our main-level master suite. Roomy, tall ceilings, and our master bathroom complete with jetted tub, low step-in fully tiled shower, and an enormous walk-in closet. Landing upstairs, here's our family room, our half bathroom, bedroom 4, and now bedroom 5, shown here as an office. 105 Dene Drive sits in Avalon Estates, which is centrally located to everything. This beautiful curb appeal, and let's take one more look at this enormous corner lot secluded under these mature trees.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.